Magazine YouTube channel. In this video we're featuring Hornby's new Stanier Princess Royal 462. The first ones of these arrived in February, and in this video we're featuring 6201 Princess Elizabeth, which is finished in LMS line Crimson Lake livery. Now the Stanier Princess Royal, it's the latest of Hornby's LMS period logos. The Princess Royal joins Hornby's LMS collection. It's already got the Royal Scot, it's got the Stanier Princess Coronation, it's got the rebuilt Patriot as well, there's also the Blackfriars and the 8F, so there's plenty of LMS period logos now to choose from. The last time that this particular version was available was 2011, and that was in BR line green. And it's been 9 years now since we got a Princess Royal in the Hornby catalogue, which has been replaced by this brand new version of 6201 we have on the right hand side here. Okay, so the new version of Hornby's Princess Royal, it's been designed fresh from the ground up. Everything is completely new on it, and you put the two side by side, so the previous generation and the new one, and they're totally different. The detail on the new version is really quite outstanding, and it really leaves the previous generation in the dust. However, it's much more than just the outward appearance of these new logos. It's also about what's inside as well. So we've got a brand new mechanism inside the new version of 6201, and that is Hornby's version with the motor mounted in the firebox, which then drives through a cardan shaft and a flywheel to power the centre driving wheels. That gives the loco really strong power on the track and also really smooth, quiet performance as well. It's also got an 8-pin decoder socket in the tender and a 28mm round speaker space as well. You'll also find this is the first Hornby locomotive of recent times which has got firebox flicker on it as well. Now it works on both digital and analogue control as well, so it works across both types of control systems. And you'll also find, as you look around the detailed local, you'll find turned metal buffers, you'll find turned metal safety valves, you'll also find nice turned metal wheels on it as well. And if you start looking between the frames, you'll see some really nice daylight popping up as well as you look through there. Right, so we've run in our Princess Royal sample, so we've now got to put it through its paces on the Hornby Magazine test track here on top of the dale. We've got a rake of matching Stanier coaches behind it. They're not quite the right livery because they're in BR rather than LMS liveries, but they still look the part all the same. It's a nice rake of 8. We know it'll handle more as well, so we'll take it for a spin. Read our full review of Hornby's new Stanier Princess Royal in the April 2020 issue of Hornby Magazine. That's on sale from March the 5th. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this latest video. Goodbye.